The way it started about is the con arch bridges at Mount Vista and Village Lane. The pavers actually started unraveling, which caused conflict with the residents' vehicles and causing issues in our right-of-way. Pavers look good as in the road right-of-way, but for our driving surfaces, it doesn't hold up. It eventually unravels. So Pinal County decided to put asphalt in the sections of that just to help with the road condition and the improvement of the drive. We got with Nesbitt Construction. They came out and actually removed the pavers by hand so we wouldn't damage them. And then we pre-stacked them on pallets, came back in, paved that road back. The medians used to have DG, which is rock. And anytime a car would jump over the medians, get rock in our right of way, broken windshields. With the pavers now, we want to use them in the medians to help with weed control and also the safety of our employees to get out and not have to do weed control. It brings more of a curb appeal to the roads, and it does help out, but like I said, our main concern is our employees being out there cutting weeds. At first, we were only planning on doing Gary Road, but once we seen how good Gary came out and looked, and with the landscape removal, it actually looks cleaner, better curb appeal, and the safety aspect of it, we decided to jump into Hunt Highway and finish it with the leftover pavers. Just the pavers were removed from those two con arch bridges on Mount Vista and Village Lane. We were able to complete every median left on Gary Road and all the ones on Hunt Highway. And so now we shouldn't have no more rock or landscape in the main trunks roads in Santana Valley. Surprised it went that far. I mean, just for being two little roads, we didn't think we were gonna have that much, but it actually covered everything. But we also have a lot of residents that are upset with the traffic control in the last month and a half. But hopefully the next month and a half will make a better impact for the future and won't have to do so much traffic control. The downtime of the construction was a big cause, a big hit for Santana Valley, but we appreciate the patience and we like to keep our projects nice and clean, but we hope everybody understands the reason we did it. I think the overall thing did work out great for the project and for Pinal County and Santana Valley. And we would like, anytime we do a project, we would like to reuse anything we possibly can. Because not only does it help with that, it helps with taxpayers' money, the public works, it helps us out, and we get more for our buck to get more of the projects complete. So that's an aspect we see it's a win.